In this video, I would like to explain what happens if you have open order on a Friday and forgetting or allowing the trade to leave open over the weekend, even though you do not have access to the market over the weekend because the market is closed. But for some reason, the market, interbank market, which is not accessible to us, for example, they are trading over the weekend and they have also changing the price of a certain symbol. In this case, I would like to show you for the silver against the US dollar what has happened on Friday, where I have open order and left it open, and on a Monday there was a large gap that has been formed. You can see that here with this candle, which was jumping up and down between these two price levels, between 30.46 and on the upper side 31.46. And you can see the price has opened at the same and closed at the same price on the first hour of on the Monday. Now we can see what happened. I also have lost $200 because even though I had a stop loss activated, you can see that at 31.046, this is the violet line, and the margin call was here at a little bit darker, which is almost purple color, which is 31 point, sorry, it was at 30.881. You can see what has happened. Now you can see what happened. On a Friday, I had opened a buy order here because after this bullish breakout has been formed, I was expecting the price will rise in value. But on a Friday, the price is returned back down, and the end of the day, the price is stopped just here at this price level. So I'm expecting that the price will bounce from this area of support, which is a daily support level. And I have left the trade open. But over the weekend, something has happened. There was big news on the market, and on a Monday, the trigger of the margin call has been activated because the price was going further down, going below my stop loss, and then reaching lower levels. Even though the stop loss was activated here, we can see that the open price was here at the start of this candle, but the stop loss did not activate because of a strong movement of the market, and the broker server could not activate my stop loss, but the stop loss was activated here. So I have ended with a minus on my trading account. Even though I had minus $200.25, my trading account was minus 21. So I needed to invest on that account to cover the loss I had on that account. So you can see what can happen. You can lose even more than you have on your trading account, and even though you have a stop loss, when there is a pretty large movement of the market, you can see that the servers cannot close your trade with a stop loss, but it is closing with a lower price when your trade comes to the server on your turn, and then close the price where it is available. So you can expect what can happen on a Friday. It's very important to have that in mind, that even though you have a stop loss, this large gap, you can see that this is the close price and this was the open price. This is a pretty large gap, and also the market was turning very fast when the market opened, where my stop loss could not be activated. I wanted to point you in this direction. Even though I have lost $200, this could be also $2,000 or $20,000 could also be. So be careful about that, having the open order over the weekend, especially if there is some kind of a news expected over the weekend. So it is better to lock your profits on a Friday. Avoid leaving your trades open over the weekend, and especially if you are trading, do not have your lot size too big, so if something happens on the market that your account cannot sustain this. So for example, I had around $180 on my trading account, but this was in a minus. But when the market has opened, my trading account balance could not sustain this pretty big loss. So for example, I needed to have $1,000. That would be just fine. My trade would not close here. I would put my stop loss even below, even further down. So this pretty messy market open could not make any kind of problems to my trading account, because this would also be sustainable. So be careful about this. Close your trades on a Friday, especially if there is new over the weekend, and lock your profits on a Friday. It is the better to start the new weekend on a Monday when everything has been calm, and we can see that the price has returned back up just to close this gap, which was expected yesterday. That's all from this video lesson. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you will not experience the same issue, losing your money over the weekend. That's all, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.